at the train station. Hi, are you Daniel?
Yes, I am. You must be Sophia.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Welcome to the city.
This station is very big.
Yes, but it is easy. We can use this map.
I want to go to the city center first.
Good. The center is 3 stops from here.
Do we take a bus or the subway?
The subway is faster now.
Where can I buy a ticket?
At that machine near the wall.
Can you help me with it?
Of course. Let's buy a day pass.
Buying a day pass.
First, choose English on the screen.
Okay, now I see ticket types.
Choose the day pass.
Is it good for buses too?
Yes, for buses and the subway.
Great. How much is it?
It is £6.
Can I pay by card?
Yes. Put your card here.
Done. The machine is printing.
Take the pass and keep it safe.
Do I tap it at the gate?
Yes. Tap it when you enter and leave.
Good. I am ready. Taking the subway. Which platform do we need?
We need platform 2.
Is this train going downtown?
Yes, it goes to Central Square.
How many stops is it?
3 stops. We get off at Central Square.
I will count the stops.
Good idea. Listen to the announcements too.
The train is here.
Let people get off first.
Okay. Now we can get on.
Hold the rail. The train can move fast.
Thanks. I feel more confident now.
You are doing well.
Walking from the square. We are at Central Square now.
Yes. The museum is not far.
Can we walk there?
Yes. It is about 10 minutes.
Which way do we go?
Go straight on King Street.
Then do we turn left?
Yes. Turn left at the bank.
I see the bank over there.
Good. After that, cross the bridge.
Is the museum near the river?
Yes, it is beside the river.
I like walking in this area.
It is a nice part of the city.
Taking the bus to the market. The museum was great.
I am glad you liked it.
Can we go to the market now?
Yes. We can take bus number 12.
Where is the bus stop?
It is across the street.
How long do we wait?
The next bus comes in 5 minutes.
Do I show my pass to the driver?
No, just tap it near the door.
Which stop is the market?
It is the 4th stop.
Please, tell me when to get off.
Sure, I will tell you.
Finding the way back.
Now, how can we get back to the station?
Let me try. We take bus 12 again.
Good start. Which direction?
Toward Central Square, I think.
Yes, that is right.
Then we take the subway for 3 stops.
Exactly. You remember well.
The day pass was very useful.
Yes, and you used it well.
I feel better about moving around now.
You can travel alone tomorrow.
Maybe, but today I am glad you helped.
You are welcome. Ready to go?
Yes. Let's find the bus stop.